Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be showing you how to use the sum function in a Google Spreadsheets. So, the first thing I want you to do is, of course, sign in, and then create a new spreadsheet or have an existing one already. So I have already done it here. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, of course. So I'm just going to do 3. You're going to put this anywhere you would like. 3 plus 3. And then what you're going to do to make it a sum, yes, I can do this in my head, but you can just make it sum instead. So sum equals, and then you're going to do SUM, parentheses. So what this means is you're going to sum up whatever you put in here. So the value of what you're going to do is you're going to do A, capital A, 2, which will highlight this, and then you're going to do comma, B, which is this column, 2, which will be this. This is the second thing highlighted. Then you're going to do close parentheses, enter, and it should bring out to 6. You can also do this without even putting anything in. So you can just do boom, 4, and 4, and it will come out to 8. And that is how you use the sum functions in a Google Spreadsheet. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.